So it's me, Kiani. In today's video, I thought that I would try to stretch my styling capabilities using these. These are called Pintwist, and they are basically marketed as the world's first back pin. This video was not sponsored, but I was gifted these Pintwists about, I'm gonna say 2 to 3 years ago. And as you all know, if you followed me through my natural hair journey, we had some major setbacks the year before last, and we basically spent all last year trying to grow my hair out. When I say we, I mean myself and my hairstylist. This is where we are right now for summer 2020, and I always find myself loving my hair right before I walk outdoors, but I always find myself feeling more confident with my hair up in one of these mixed chicks bands, or I find myself reaching for these. These bobby pins are technically the most uncomfortable thing in the world. If you've ever had headache from a bobby pin or several bobby pins, then you will totally feel how the inspiration for this video came about. I'm actually going to stop rambling. I'm going to see how many hairstyles I can create using the Pintwist. In my packet comes 4, but let's just see what we can create, shall we? So without further ado, let's get into the styling portion of the video. So you see with this style I've come up with for style number 1, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It reminds me of the appearance of having a headband. You're getting tons of volume. There is no tension here. So I had several of you mention that you love headbands, but they always give you some part of a headache for them pinching right here on the back of the ear. This style, you'll see that my curls they're still volumized, but I have the ability to pull the hair back and off my face. So I'm loving this one for style number 1. Also, to create this style, I use 2 of the smaller versions of the Pintwist. So let's go ahead and move along for style number 2. Alright guys, here we are, style number 2. To create this look, it kind of reminds me of the banana clips. If you aren't familiar with the banana clip, then I'm definitely sharing my age here. However, the banana clips used to allow you to basically put your hair in and you would clamp them at the top. The only thing about the banana clip, the quality never was good enough to keep the hair in position for a long period of time. I think with these, using 2 of the Pintwists, using 1 on each side, and then using the smaller one to go through the middle, you're actually able to lock the hair in place and get this really cute kind of rocker style, almost like a faux hawk, without having the tension on your hair. So this, ooh, I'm loving it. And it's not destroying your curls. So you can actually get another style, which is, you guessed it, what we're about to do next. Let's go ahead and see about style number 3. And before we go ahead and create style number 3, I am loving that these Pintwists are not destroying my hair. This is like day 3 hair, and the curls are actually getting really softer by the moment, but they're not totally destroyed. Kind of like what pulling your hair all the way up or a bobby pin would render you with. So we're loving that. But carry on, back to styling. Oh my God, you guys, did you all see that? 1 pin twist, 1 to give me my perfect half up, half down style, which has totally been my go-to. I'm obsessed. It's giving me that nice slay that we love when we have our makeup done, honey. Yes. Oh, okay, this is not a makeup tutorial, Kiani. Okay, come back. Okay, but it's giving me that nice volume. Some of the curls that need to be shaken down, they can kind of do their thing. It's giving me the best tension without the irritation from tension, if you know what I'm saying. Obsessed. Okay, can we get to style number 4? What will style number 4 be? Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is what we've come up with for style number 4. A good old-fashioned pinup, almost like a French bun or French roll, but a little bit more modern. I do have a few of my nape hairs that are a little bit shorter, but I still was able to get all of this volume up top with one of the pin twists. And if I really wanted to, I could probably make this lay flatter, but I like having the texture. I need a mirror. Let me take another look. Yes, this came out really nice. Just kind of pull that loose just a little bit. This is probably my favorite one of all. Again, no tension on the hair. And if I want to make it tighter, I could definitely do that, but I like having a little bit of the volume. I mean, honey, you've grown this hair out and you want it slicked down to your head. I don't think so, shawty. I don't think so. Great. Can we stretch it? Can we get one more style out? Can we get one more? Oh, we have to try. We have to try. Ooh. Okay, guys, this is, what style are we up to now? Style number 5. And this style takes me back, honey. This one takes me back to wearing stockings to church. Yes, I love this. Oh my God. I absolutely love this. Can you see the texture? What are we working with? I mean, I'm literally working without a mirror, but let me just, because I know y'all not gonna tell me until late, so let me just take a quick look, see. Yes! One pin. Oh my God, I am obsessed. If you want to, you can just kind of pull the bangs over, honey. But you guys, this, can I tell you, not a morsel of tension, not even the slightest. And remember, you know, when you put in a bobby pin, you're on a time clock, because between an hour, maximum 3 hours, that bobby pin is going to give you the worst headache. But can I tell you that I don't feel anything with this? Oh my goodness. So I think we're up to 5. And you know what, we could probably keep going, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video here, because I know you all's, your attention span gets a little short. You guys know what to do. Let me know which one of the hairstyles you enjoyed the most, and I'm going to see if I can leave these Pintwist, the link to them, in the description box. If you decide to go ahead and purchase you a Pintwist, make sure that you comment down below. Let me know if you were able to find it, which hairstyle you like the most. You guys know I love to know, so comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you please click that subscribe button. Also click that bell for post notifications, so every time I upload, you are notified. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.